Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are keeping fine. You are going to learn one more subject, that is computer. Now you are in 7th class. The name of your computer text is Browse the World, Class 7. Browse the World, Class 7. Today we are going to discuss the first chapter, World Wide Web. We will learn what is World Wide Web, what is Internet, what are the uses of World Wide Web and Internet. First, what is the Internet? The Internet is a global network of billions of computers and other electronic devices. With the Internet, it is possible to access almost any information, communicate with anyone else in the world, and do much more. So, what is World Wide Web? The World Wide Web, usually called the web for short, is a collection of different websites you can access through the Internet. A website is made up of related text, images, and other resources. The World Wide Web is a network of online content that is formatted in HTML and accessed via HTTP. The term refers to all the interlinked HTML pages that can be accessed over the Internet. The World Wide Web was originally designed in 1994 by Tim Berners-Lee while he was a contractor at CERN. The World Wide Web is most often referred to simply as the web. Then, what are the components of World Wide Web? There are 4 components. First one, web client. Second, web server. Third one, web browser. And the fourth one, internet service provider. These are the 4 components of web. The first one is web client. A web client typically refers to the web browser in the user's machine or mobile device. What is web client? Web client is typically refers to the web browser in the user's computer, machine, or laptop or mobile device. It may also refers to extension and helper applications that enhance the browser to support special services from the site. Second, web server. Next component is web server. A web server is a computer that runs websites. Web server is a computer that runs the website. The basic objective of the web server is to store, process, and deliver web pages to the users. The main job of a web server is to display the website content. What is the main job of a web server? It is to display the website content for the user. Third one is web browser. A web browser, commonly referred to as a browser. It is commonly referred as simply a browser. A web browser is an application software. It's an application software for accessing the World Wide Web. Web browser is an application software for accessing World Wide Web. When a user requires a web page from a particular website, the web browser retrieves the necessary content from a web server and then displays the page on the user's device. The fourth component is Internet Service Provider. The Internet Service Provider, short form is ISP, Internet Service Provider, is an organization that provides many different services for accessing, using, or participating in the Internet. Then next topic is working of web. We will have a client on the left side and a server on the right side. A user wants to see a website. Suppose a user wants to see a website like www.cbsc.nic.in. What will do? The user types the URL of a page using a client program. Here the client program is a web browser. Usually opening any web browser and typing the URL of the website which they want to open. When the connection establishes or executes, the client sends a request, the HTTP message. But because the HTTP is a connectionless protocol, so the client disconnects from the server and waits for the response. The next protocols used on the web. Which are the protocols used on the web? What is protocol? Protocols are the set of rules that needs to be followed during data communication. It's a set of rules that needs to be followed during data communication through internet. There are 4 types of protocols. First one is Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is the set of rules for transferring files. Hypertext Transfer Protocols actually what is doing? It is a set of rules for transferring files such as, which are the files? Such as text, images, sound, video and other multimedia files over the web. It works on a client server model where the web browser acts as the client. First protocol is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. What is the use or what is the rule of Hypertext Transfer Protocol? It is a set of rules for transferring files. While we are transferring files, the HTTP protocol is applicable. The second protocol is File Transfer Protocol. The File Transfer Protocol is a standard communication protocol used for the transfer of computer files from a server to a client on a computer network. The third protocol is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, SMTP protocol. SMTP is a protocol designed to transfer electronic mail reliably and efficiently. It is a protocol designed to transfer only for electronic mail. It should be reliably and efficiently. SMTP is a push protocol and is used to send the email. Using this protocol, a client can transfer an email to another client on the same network. Using this protocol, a client, a user can transfer an email to another client on the same network. The last protocol is TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol, TCP/IP Internet Protocol. Transmission Control Protocol is a connection-oriented communications protocol that facilitates the exchange of messages between computing devices in a network. It is the most common protocol in networks that use the Internet protocol. Together, they are sometimes referred to as TCP/IP protocol. Now, we are winding up today's class. Next class, we will continue the class in next week, or I will give you a second video in next week. Okay, thank you.